This trading strategy gives 80% winning trades on the Ethereum price chart on the 5-minute time frame. This means that on average, 8 out of 10 trades are successful. Check out these recent signals. A 2.5% profit was caught on this massive sell-off. Perfect timing. No signals during market consolidation. Another good profit was made on this short trade with a risk-to-reward ratio of 2 to 1. This long trade was also successful. With a leverage of 5 to 1, it could have made you at least 5% gain on the account. The winning rate of this algorithm is very high, which puts it at the top of my list of the most accurate trading strategies. In this video, I will explain the strategy from A to Z so that you can implement it in your trading and start making consistent profits. Let's get started. First off, open the ETH/USDT price chart and select the 5-minute time frame. It also works great on other cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin or Solana. This strategy uses only one indicator. It is Premium. However, there is no other free or paid technical analysis tool on TradingView that can compete with it. We'll show you how to install it on the chart and what settings to use at the end of the video. For now, let's break down the strategy's rules for buying and selling the security. Long and short positions can be opened in 2 scenarios. Both have a high success rate. Having 2 setups also gives you more trading opportunities throughout the day. Here's the first scenario for a buy trade. Before deciding whether to buy, we need to check the trend first. This indicator has a trend dashboard that gives you a view of the current trend as well as its strength on multiple time frames. This feature puts you ahead of 90% of traders who don't use multi-time frame price analysis. You see, in order to have an edge in trading, you need to make sure every single trade you take has a high probability of being successful. Multi-time frame analysis shows you the bigger picture about price action you can't afford to miss. Every professional trader understands that to win in the long run, it is essential to go with the prevailing sentiment. In other words, follow the trend. The problem is, if you use shorter time frames for trading and your strategy involves following the trend, you cannot blindly rely on the trend in those time frames. You see, a trend might look bullish on the 5-minute chart, but if you switch to the 4-hour time frame, the picture looks completely different. That's why it is important to look at what's really going on in the market. Only if the trend is bullish on the majority of time frames can we tell if the market is truly controlled by bulls. The trend dashboard has 6 time frames. This means if at least 4 of them are green and 2 are red, the trend is bullish. The second step we need to do when purchasing security with this strategy is to buy at the cheapest price possible. In order to achieve this, the following must be in place. First, the price must drop to the lower reversal bands without exceeding the lowest one. Here's an example of where we would not have considered buying. When the price overextends too much, it may signal a major trend shift. So in order to stay safe, we must avoid situations like this. The last condition we need to check before opening a long position is a strong buy signal. A buy trade is initiated at the next candlestick's open price. The stop loss is placed below the swing low. A partial profit is taken when an exit signal or a red cross appears. The stop loss should also be moved to break even. Set a trailing stop loss at a distance equal to the distance of the initial stop loss. For example, if the stop loss was initially set at a distance of 12 pips from the entry price, your trailing stop loss should be set at 12 pips from the current price. The stop loss will be adjusted every time the price makes a new high, but it remains in place when the price drops. This type of money management allows you to catch big trends, just like this one. The second scenario for opening a long entry is pretty much the same as the first one. However, instead of waiting for the price to drop to reversal bands, we buy the security after a 4-hour support retest. This type of setup has a really high win rate, but it doesn't occur that often. In this example, the price dropped to 4-hour support and lower reversal bands at the same time. As a result, we buy the security at a discount while it is being in an uptrend. The same money management rules should be applied to this setup. The trade is running in profit. We've received an exit cross. Now we have nothing to lose since our stop loss has been moved to break even. Even if it gets triggered, we've already made a small profit. In the next example, the price retested the 4-hour resistance and the upper reversal bands. We prepare to short the security. As soon as a strong sell signal occurs, we check the trend dashboard. Bearish trends should be present in most time frames. In this case, it is present in 4 out of 6 time frames. A sell position should be initiated at the next candlestick's open price. Part of the position can be taken off when a mild buy signal appears on the chart. The stop loss should be adjusted to break even. Just like with long trades, a trailing stop loss should be set at the distance of the initial stop loss. In this example, price reversed to upper bands and immediately got rejected. This is a signal of a bearish trend continuation. We should prepare to sell the security as soon as a sell signal is given. However, before we initiate a sell trade, we check the trend dashboard to make sure the trend is bearish on at least 4 time frames. In this case, it is bearish on all of them, which is satisfying. This trade turned out to be successful. Traders, I hope the strategy's rules are clear. I tried my best to explain these complex conditions in the simplest way possible. Now you're equipped with the knowledge to go out there and crush it like a pro. Let me show you which indicator I use for this strategy. It is called Easy Algo Vive 9. You can access it by clicking the link in the comments. Besides easy-to-follow technical analysis indicators, Easy Algo has a private Discord community where hundreds of traders chat, learn from each other, copy trading signals, and share their results. Once you've activated your plan, head over to TradingView and add the indicator from the invite-only script. The following step is to access its inputs. Support and resistance levels in the current time frame should be disabled. Enable the 4-hour ones instead. Scroll down and uncheck the golden pocket, candle coloring, and volume profile. Enable the reversal bands. The final step is to go to the style section and adjust the bands just like I'm doing right now. This way the indicator looks much better. To boost the win rate even higher, you can add the Easy Oscillator. This tool can confirm overbought and oversold market conditions. These two indicators work the best in conjunction. Easy Oscillator is like RSI but 10 times better. It also has buy and sell signals, divergence signals, and a built-in volume. Give it a try, but be sure you do a diligent backtesting before trading live. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episode.